What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I am back with another video.
See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve it.
In today's video, first of all, it's been a while since you guys have heard my voice. No, I'm lying. I was just talking on camera the other day. We're back with a watercolor method video, and it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. You guys know what's up when you guys see this bucket. I'm usually downstairs in my kitchen filming these types of videos, but I honestly didn't feel like bringing everything downstairs. Nobody has time for that. So today we're going to be filming it in my room, of course. Let's start off with the hair company. I finally got my hands, ooh, okay, cool. I finally got my hands on some platinum hair, and this hair company is called Novaluxe hair. All the information will be down below. This is my first time trying out this hair company. I was sent, dang, it's getting cold on my nose. Lay my nose on. I was sent a 18-inch BODYWAVE platinum wig, and also this cute clip that I will definitely be using because it says girls. My last one said love me, and I didn't really want that. But yeah, so we are going to be, honestly, it was really hard for me to decide what I wanted to do with this hair because you guys know I've done every color out there, but there's certain colors I want to like redo. Either it's going to be lighter or it's going to be darker, but there's certain colors I want to redo. Then again, I also just wanted a platinum blonde wig. I don't have any platinum blonde wigs. I don't think so, no. All my wigs are colored. Yeah, they're all colored. I don't really have no platinum blonde wigs. So I was like, do I really want to color this hair or do I want it to stay platinum? So I'm like, no. It's been this color I've been wanting to do. It's like this coffee look on the platinum blonde hair. I'm going to put a picture right here. I don't have the exact same color that was used, like, to make those colors. But we going to do something. And we go get something done. And it's going to look how I want it to look. I already did a test on some fake hair that my mom had. I did a test and I don't know how to feel about it, but I feel like it looks like it, low key, but it's supposed to be way darker, so I'm gonna just like keep dipping. Certain parts are supposed to be darker than the other part. I have my water and everything here. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna do all that for you guys so you guys can see, but this is how the wig looks. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in it. It has the adjustable band. And now let's just get to coloring because I'm ready to see how this is going to turn out. If it does not turn out the way I want, I'm going to just put black on the ends because why do I look so, oh my god. If it doesn't turn out the way I want, I'm just going to put like black or something on the ends. Like that'll look good too because I saw that too. But I don't have black, so we're going to go with this sienna brown from Adore. Now, like I said, this is how it's supposed to look. This picture right here. So we're working with one color, not two. So what I'm going to do for the first, like for the top half, I'm just going to put a little bit of this brown in there. And then for the bottom half, I'm going to make that darker. Or this is another look I saw. I might just go with this look and leave it light because that also looks good. You know what I'm saying? But let's get this going. I'm going to put you guys down. I'm going to zoom you in. That's good right there, y'all. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Okay, cool. So, like I said, this is how it turned out. It's not that bad, to be honest. I'll probably just go lighter on it. Because I think I'm just going to go ahead and go with the light look instead of the dark look. But this is how the wig looks before. Okay? I'm going to put a little bit, like I said. That felt like a lot, but that was a little bit. I'm going to mix that up. Yeah, this is real light, so that's good. It's not as dark. And the water also dilutes it anyway, so. Ooh, I need me a towel over here so I won't make a mess because I'm not down. This is 18 inches. 18 inches is still long on your girl, but I'm not gonna. They also did good on the plucking, but I'm not gonna go so far up because, yeah. So like I said, we're gonna just dip the hair in it one time. I'm so scared, y'all. I want to do it with my hands, but this drink is hot. This is how it looks. I think I'm going to go with the second picture instead, just to be on the safe side. And keep it with a light look. And that doesn't look bad, y'all. That honestly doesn't, right? It doesn't. And I'm going to go in with another round. So it can get like more color. Certain parts wasn't colored. I don't want it to get dark now. I just want it to get colored. I do not want this to be any darker than what it is. If anything, I'll probably put color on certain parts that need color. But this looks good right here, y'all. Right? That look good? And that was quick. That was not even 5 minutes, y'all. That was not even 5 minutes. I'm jacking this. This looks so good. I usually don't do this in my watercolor videos, but I'm gonna go ahead and also style the wig on camera. Am I gonna style it or should I just blow dry it so you guys can see like how it looks? I think I should blow dry it so you guys can see like how it really look. Yeah, so you know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna style it for you guys on camera, so I'll be back.